Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the upper intake manifold vacuum piping. If you don't know what that is, that's this piece right here. And I'll be replacing the original one that came on the car. So all you want to do is first take off the beauty cover. It's usually like hand tighten, or you can use like a hex tool. What you're going to need is a 10 mil. So we got this beauty cover off. And this is the intake manifold piping that we'll be replacing. So we're going to be removing these two 10 mil bolts. We'll be removing that 10 mil bolt. And then the two that's right here. And then next, we're gonna pull off each hose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally the last one, 7. And then we're gonna lift this up, push the tabs underneath inwards and pull up. I'm gonna clean the surface areas where it had the surface rust. I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're gonna get our new one. We're gonna put it right back to where the original one was. That's so. Then we're gonna put our bolts back in. Then we're gonna put these back up here. Start reconnecting the hoses, as you can see. And then if you forgot how to connect these, shortest one first, second longest, second. And do this underneath. And the same thing with the second one. forgot this one right here. Can't see that one. And then reconnect this to the vacuum hose line. Just push in. You hear it click. Lastly, connect the last hose. And that's it. That's how you replace an intake manifold vacuum hose, well, vacuum pipe on a 7th gen Maxima. That's it for this video. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. Peace.